Peace and love, family. Super Amari Asad with a quick little video about some unhad conversations. Why do I bring it to your attention? It's a lot of people are blocking their throat chakra and, not speaking their truth or not saying what's on their mind, not saying on their heart. And there's some things that you allowed happen and you did not say anything. Well, how do you expect people to get you? How do you expect people to know? How do you expect people to grow? How do you expect to heal if we don't talk about what's wrong, what's bothering, what hurt us, what's caused pain, even our celebration? Sometimes I was just telling my friend that support is also saying that we appreciate you. We see you, we admire you. A lot of us don't do that. And we feel like, or we assume that, oh, they know I love them. We know. That's why I feel like words and action go together. So many people say, show what your actions. Well, you'll miss it because you don't know what I'm doing, how I operate in love in my actions. That's why I feel like words and actions go together. But the point of the matter I'm trying to make to you is today is that there are some unhad conversations that you didn't have with yourself, others, your mate, your family, your friends, co-workers, your boss, whatever, even your God, however it may be and however it lay. This is on my spirit to lead to you today to say, you need to say with your chest. You need to let it out. You need to scream. You need to write in a note, whatever. So many damaged relationships go undone because we didn't say anything. Even relationships for a commitment, far as relationship and being together, there are some conversations that was not taking place for y'all to keep going. But we dropped the ball because we was in our pride, we didn't know what to say or egotistic, whatever, or, I'm over and done with. But sometimes we need clarity. I won't say sometimes, I say all the time. So for my women and men that want to ghost women and men or ghost anybody, so I just leave, I just stop calling, I just block them. They need clarity too. And then, I'm not a person that, talk on karma, but my whole thing is you're going to come to a time that you want someone to give you understanding. It's some things that you want clarification and affirmation, things that you want to say, you're tired of wondering. You're tired of thinking, oh, with this person, whatever. Let's have the conversation. It may be uncomfortable. It may be a little rocky. It may be a little shaky, but here I'm giving you the push, the boost to say, hey, have this conversation. This is the reason why our babies now is laid astray, because we don't want to have the hard conversation. They're going to like boys. They're going to like girls. They're going to have sex. They're going to have babies. Let's have the conversation now so they won't be misguided. So many ways this conversation can go if we have the conversation. Sometimes as parents, we avoid it. We avoid dealing with the harsh truths of our child being an introvert. We are dealing with the harsh truths of our child father or their mother not in their life. So we try to avoid having these conversations when in real actually they're hurting. Let's have the conversation. Your spouse, your mate, whoever that you're talking to and involved with, there is some things that need to be said between you two, but you keep avoiding the conversation. The conversation that we had today, family. Tomorrow, next week, how long you gonna wait? You say, Amari, no, it ain't that easy. Well, it might not be to you, but that other person is waiting on you to open up the door. But if they want to conversate with me, why they just don't pick up the phone? Again, it's on your heart. It's bothering you. It might not be bothering them. They might not even be in that space or whatever, or know what they did to you wrong until we speak what is on our mind, our heart, our soul, our feelings, everything. Have the conversation. So many conversations can make a better circumstance. You might say, well, no, Amari, it's toxic over there. Well, if you come with a toxic mindset and toxic feeling, then it will always be toxic. Well, no, they all about drama. Break through the drama with positivity. Break through the messiness to get understanding. Break through the chaotic stuff and say, hey, I'm going to say my piece. I'm going to walk on out. Leave a letter on the table. Say, hey, it's so many butterflies right now that can be butterflies, but you still in a caterpillar state because you won't speak your truth. Have that conversation, that real to heart conversation. And moment you do this, having the real conversation with yourself about these motherfuckers and just being real with you, that butterfly is going to open up this wing because you need to be let free. And the conversation you're not having right now is because you're not letting yourself be free with the conversation, whoever it is, yourself, others, family, your mate, your friend, co-workers, even your God, etc., etc., etc. Family, I love you. I want you to understand how important this is. There's some conversation with your kids you need to have. It's some conversation that you got to have with these exes. It's some conversation that you need to have with your current mate. We trying to skip the healing process. We trying to skip the work process, but we didn't hash it out to talk about what bothers us the most. And here you come in my office and say, hey, I need to talk about XYZ. It ain't me you need to talk to. I'm here to guide you and direct you. Same way with anybody else, a reader or anybody else, a counselor. That's our job. But the other job is you doing the work and making the conversation available to have. Family, friends, I love you. I want you to do the work. Have the conversation that's needed. Have it now. Don't wait till it's too late. Peace and love, Amari Asad.